How to block and unblock someone on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can go ahead and block or unblock someone on TikTok. So now let's get started. First, you need to have the TikTok application installed on your device. Go ahead and launch it. Then make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now go to any profile that you want to block. Once you're there, tap on the share icon in the top right corner of your screen. You'll get 4 different options in the bottom of the screen, that is report, block, send message, and QR code. Go ahead and block this person. Now tap on block. You can see that the person has been instantly blocked. Now, if you want to unblock this user, go ahead, use the search bar in the top. Use the search bar in the top and search for them. You'll get their profile that you have blocked this user. Tap on unblock and then tap on unblock again to confirm, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.